Right, guys. Just gonna quickly give my thoughts on Bitcoin. Okay, we got this amazing short up here at 11.9k. All right, so I'm going to explain again why I shorted here. Okay, what my thought process was and what I'm watching now. Right. Um, so let's start off on the weekly. Okay, so on the weekly, we have this weekly range, okay, that we've been watching for, yeah, a very long time. So the key low here after this massive sell-off, and then the first high, key high as a range high, okay. This is just a midpoint between those two. As you can see, the range high has been pivotal, kept the market here 2 times. Now we're around those levels again. So yeah, it was time to be cautious on longs, right? So when we were up here on Twitter, literally everyone was calling for 14k. Okay, I think I didn't see any short call, and along with that, we swept some key highs right here, right into range high resistance. Okay, also if you draw the OTE from up here to the first, well, to the lowest point, OTE, then you can see you had some amazing confluence right here. Okay, the OTE, the 0.705 level, perfectly lining up here. We barely tapped it and then started selling off. Okay, along with that, the funding up here was damn high. Okay, your risk rewards up here for shorts was amazing. Okay, if you go to the hourly, we have some minor supply right here. So that's why I put my stop right above there. Okay, this one was a last consolidation before we broke back inside the range. Okay, so that's why I put my stop right above there. So clean invalidation. And yeah, as you can see, the short played out beautifully. I took profits on half of my short down here below these equal lows or triple lows, whatever you want to call it. And I'm still half in, targeting this key low here. Okay, I think we at least get one more run down to take this one out, and then if we see a decent buyback, then I'll be looking for longs at least back towards our mid-range. Okay, on the higher time frames, what am I watching? Let me quickly remove this. So on the daily, I marked this blue box. Okay, so this was the former range that we've been trading in for about 85 days, so about 3 months. Okay, so this is definitely gonna be demand in my opinion. Okay, it lines up with our weekly mid-range, so you really want to see this area hold, in my opinion, this blue area. Any wicks in here is a long, in my opinion. All right, if we then reclaim this key level, okay, then in my opinion it's running for at least back towards 11Ks. Okay, and then a flip of range high here, and then I'll start calling for 14Ks. Okay, but for now I think we need to retest some higher time frame demand before we have the fuel to go for new highs. Okay, when am I going to turn fully bearish? That will be on a break below here. Okay, if we get something like this, I think we at least are going to retest 7k levels around here. Okay, there's some demand right here into our weekly range low, break below range low, and then things could get really ugly towards, most likely we go all the way down into this demand right here into 2.5k. But yeah, of course it's way too early to call for that, but I'm just playing it level by level. Okay, so for now, still sitting in half of my short, targeting this low. Okay, if we get something like this, a quick wick in here and a reclaim, I'll definitely be looking for longs. And then the reaction around here will be key. If we smash through this and start consolidating here again, then I think probability wise, yeah, you're better in longs. Okay, so you want to be long then. But yeah, mostly watching for now. Let's see what we get. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.